Okay, I know what is the first thing that you guys wish to see. You wish to see proof of earnings. Now this is my Cpagrip account and this is my today's earnings. So let me refresh this. As you can see, it's still here. And let me refresh this again and it is still here. So with that being done, now we can start. Okay, in today's video I'm going to show you CPA marketing content locking trick that works really well. And the reason why this works so well is because we are actually going to give them free movies. And everybody likes to watch free movies, right? And don't worry, I'm going to show you where you can get those movies for free, so it will cost you nothing. And if you are a beginner, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to set up everything step by step and how to promote this. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to find hot movies, movies that are trending, movies that people like to watch. So to do that, we can simply go here on Google and here in search bar, we can type something like Top Movies 2022 and press enter. And here you can see movies in this year. So when I scroll here I can find, for example, imbd.com. Here you can see best 20 movies of 2022. And when I click here I can see the list of top 20 movies in this year. And here you can see best movies according to this website is The Batman 2022. So next thing we need to do, we need to simply copy this, okay? Control C, and we need to go on Google and then search that here on Google, okay? And I need to add 2022, okay? Press enter, and then we need to go here on images. And here you can find official posters of this movie, and don't worry, we will not steal these images. So what you can do is you can simply click here on poster, and here you can see poster for this movie. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to create a content locker. Now for that I'm going to use Cpagrip. So what you need to do, you need to go here on monetization tools and then URL and file lockers. And then click here on create a new URL locker. Then go here, click and agree to the terms of condition, click on continue, and now you need to create a content locker. Now here you need to add a file name. Now file name will be the name of the movie. In this case it is the Batman 2022, so let me just add here 2022, that is the name of this movie. Button text, I can say something like, for example, watch download, okay? Watch, and let's just say something like this. Okay, watch download. And here offer help text, complete the offer below to continue, okay? And here I can say something, complete the survey below to continue to watch, for example, to watch movie, to watch this movie for free, okay? Here you can see complete the survey below to continue, watch this movie for free, okay? That is my movie. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to click here on this image, okay? Here you can see insert image, and here on Google Images, and I need to use one of these posters. And don't worry, we will not, like I said, we will not steal these images. So what you need to do, you need, for example, let's just say I wish to use this image here. So what I need to do, I need to right click here, copy image link, and then go back on Cpagrip and paste that here, click here on submit, then click here, and here you can see how this looks. So let me just click here to make it center. And here you can see how this actually looks, okay? And here I actually need to give them this movie for free. I need to lock this movie. So to find these movies for free, that you will give them for free, you can simply go on a website called moviekeys.com. Now here you need to actually search for Batman 2022 and press enter. And here you can see Batman 2022. You need to click here on this image, and here these people can watch this movie, or they can even download this movie on their desktop and they can watch it on their own computer. So what I need to do, I need to copy this link here, copy, go back on Cpagrip, and here where it says locked URL, I need to paste that here, okay? And now I locked this movie here from Movie Keys. So if they wish to watch this movie, they will need to complete a survey and they will be automatically redirected to this movie, okay? And when you go back here on Cpagrip, you can leave these things as it is. You don't need to do anything here. You can click here on show offers and you can choose offers Here, for example, let's just say United United States, for example, and here you can choose mobile offer, mobile droid, or whatever offer you want. Let's just say, for example, mobile offer. Let's just say these offers here, and after I finish, all I have to do is just click here on hide offers, and this is how this looks. And what I need to do next, I need to click here on, let me just click here on refresh and preview, click here on save, and that's it. I saved, I created the content locker. So what I need to do next, I actually need to click here on get a link, and this is my link. I will copy that and I will actually paste that in Notepad because I'm going to need that, okay? And now I actually need to create a bridge page because many of the companies, many websites, they do not allow direct CPA offers. Now to make our bridge page, we are going to use system.io. You can register for a free account on system.io. Then you need to go here on funnels and then click here on create to create a new funnel. Give it a name, so let's just say CPA, and then choose one of these. Let's just say build an audience. You don't need to do anything here. Click here on create, give it a second, and it created a new funnel for you. Now we don't need thank you page, so I will delete thank you page, okay? And here you can choose one of the templates that they are actually offering for you. Now you can choose any of these offers, doesn't really matter because we will edit each of these. We will edit every of those funnels. So let me just choose one of these. So let's just say, for example, I wish to use this funnel here. Just click here on select. And now I can edit this funnel. Just click here to edit, and I will edit this funnel according to my needs. Now I don't need any of this stuff here, so I will simply delete everything, okay? Because like I said, I don't need any of this stuff. So what I need to do, I actually need to drag this text here, okay? And here I need to say something like, for example, I need to double click here, okay? And I need to say something like this. Click the button below to watch this movie for free, okay? And I will actually make this, for example, to be bold, okay? And let me just font size, I will make this bigger, like this, okay? And now what I need to do, now I need to add an image. Just drag this image here, okay? And now I will click here, and I need to click here to upload image, select image file, this is the image, give it a second, click here on insert, and this is the image. And now what I need to do, I actually need to go here and I need to find this button here, okay? I need to add a button. As you can see here, click here. Now here I need to say something like this, okay? So Control C, go back here, and here I need to say something like, so let me just scroll here, where it says click here, I need to say something like this. Click here to watch. And I don't need this subtext here. So let me just scroll here and I'm going to delete this, okay? And this is my landing page, my bridge page. But now I actually need to add a link to my bridge page, to my actually CPA offer. So this is the link to my Cpagrip affiliate offer. So just click here. And here I need to actually, so let me just go back here. And here where it says to the next step, I need to click here and I need to say to a custom URL, okay? And here I need to add a redirect URL, okay? And this is the link to my Cpagrip content locker. So all I have to do now is just click here on save changes. And when I click here on preview, I can see how my bridge page actually looks. Here you can see, click the button below to watch this movie for free. This is the image, this is the button, and when they click, they will be automatically redirected to my Cpagrip content locker. So let me just close this and then click here to exit. And when I click here, here I can actually get my link to my bridge page, okay? As you can see here. So now I actually need to start promoting my bridge page where I'm actually promoting my Cpagrip content locker. Now to promote our bridge page, we are going to use Pinterest. So what you need to do, you need to click here on create and then click here on create a pin. And then here you need to choose the right board. Of course, you will create a board called movies or something like that. And then click here in order to choose the right image. This is the image. And here in title, I can say something like this. Watch Batman 2022 for free. Something like that. Here in the description, I can say something similar. And then here where it says add a destination link, here I need to add a link to my bridge page that I created in system.io. You cannot send people directly to your CPA offer. So paste that here, and all I have to do now is just click here on save, and I will add this pin to my Pinterest account. And all I have to do is just upload pins like this every day on my Pinterest account, and I will start driving free traffic. And also what you need to do, you need to share this content, this bridge page on other social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on Tumblr, on TikTok. Share it on related forums, on Reddit, and so on and so on, and start driving as much traffic as you can to your bridge page in order to start getting as many traffic and as many clicks. And trust me, people like watching videos, movies for free, and you will start making money with CPA marketing and content locker. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.